Today's section is cooking with Grandpa, baking up self-seeking by Grandpa's Corner. Like and link to the video will be the description below. Go in second month. So let's get into this vaccine in 3, 2, 1.
Cooking with Grandpa!
Cooking with Grandpa.
I ain't done one in what? 2, 3 weeks? But today, Grandpa's making stuffed chicken wrapped in bacon!
Bacon!
Everything with Grandpa gets done in bacon.
Yeah, bacon!
Got the oven preheating to 350. You gotta bone this fucking bird. La la la, get out, motherfucker! Just scrape it on back and then cut that motherfucker. Now, you take out the hammer! Yes! Get out of the way, coffee! And you beat that motherfucker! You beat that motherfucker! Today ain't nothing left, man. Take that, Tina! You beat that goddamn thing. And you flatten that meat out, see? Best thing about a motherfucking hammer. God damn, it's raining. Where's my goddamn salt? Get out of the way. Bitch, take my motherfucking salt. Then you lightly salt it. That, whoop, oh well. Then, you turn that motherfucker over and you get the dressing that I go stove top here. Get out, motherfucker, you don't need to be looking. Shit good too. And then you roll it up. I want to thank y'all. Y'all like my cooking with Grandpa so fucking much, I'm going to start doing more. Oh my God, I got no fucking bacon. Ah ha ha. Bacon!
Bacon!
Get the fuck out of here. Be careful, you don't want to cut your your hand. But anyway, I ain't gonna take the whole bag, just get a couple pieces. Alright, you take this bacon and you wrap the bitch. You just wrap that. Look at it, you got this shit pop out like that. Stuff it the fuck back in. Cause somebody gonna eat that shit. La 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 la, la 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 la. Hey hey hey, motherfucker. Goodbye. I learned that last night at my show. Come on, get out of there, you motherfucker! I'm calling you.
Hey, 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 goodbye.
I buy old cheap bacon. Now look at that. Now, Grandpa done cut the bone. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Am I right? Count them. Goddamn, I must have vagina spider bites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Wait. That's 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah!
Oh shit. Broke my fucking counter. Oh well, fuck it. I don't care. Then you wash your hands. The oven, let's see, is it preheated yet? Oh, the oven is ready. Now you go place that motherfucker. Nah. In the oven. Middle rack. And then you got all this good dressing left. Motherfucker good. Hold on. Shit's good, man. God damn. Got itches, man. Fuck. Clean the mess now. God damn it. I got grease every mother. Look at that motherfucking grease going everywhere. God damn.
This looks healthy.
You look good.
Where's my police on?
I'll take a bite of it. Fuck it.
Real fucking good. Anyway, that's your chicken. Stuffed chicken wrapped in bacon.
Fucking.
It's extreme.
It's real good. Did you have to scream bacon like that?
That's good, ain't it? Man, damn, look at that boy.
Fucking what?
Man, that tastes so good. What you gonna do for an encore?
What am I gonna do for an encore? I'm going to Disney World. Look out, Mickey. But yeah, Grandpa is going.
I'm going to get a fucking subsequent another you look good. I'm going to get a 9.5 up team.
Going to, where's that?
Disney World in Florida.
What town?
Orlando.
Orlando, Florida, to Disney World. I'm gonna see if I can't get a date with Cinderella. See what's really under that dress.
And I'm going to see the Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
I'm going with my Hogwarts shirt.
You just gonna fucking go. That's all you gonna do.
I want to ride rides.
Ooh, I bet they got some good buffets.
I want to eat food.
Goddamn, you always talk about fucking food. That's all you ever think about, food.
Food. I was cooking with Grandpa back in the WhatsApp seeking by Grandpa's corner. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check them out. And Grandpa like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new. And click the bell to be notified below. Bye.